What's going on, guys? All right, so today we're going to talk about fold flat ramps. So depending on the brand, they're either called mega ramps, max ramps, monster ramps, whatever, the list goes on. They're all the same thing. Basically full width ramps that fold flat. So selling features on these are obviously, the main thing that people look at is the fact that they're a full width ramp, so they're a lot easier to drive your equipment up and down them. You don't have to try to hit that skinny ramp as you're backing a big piece of equipment up and down it. The fact that they do fold flat makes the trailer a little more usable for full flat space. So say this trailer is a 20-foot trailer, you get 20 foot of flat loadable area for things like longer materials, pipes, pallets, whatever you need to put on here. That could take up 20 feet, but also it's usable as a fold over ramp, obviously, to load your equipment. So the one thing that, I just kind of want to remind everybody to always think about is the fact that these ramps can be traveled with in the upright position. You get that bar on there on the side to be able to stand the ramp up. So when you're having a conversation and somebody says, oh, I have two pieces of equipment, or I have a tractor that's got a bush hog on the back, or whatever it is, and this trailer's 17 foot of flat deck, 3 foot of dovetail, and they say, hey, I need 18 feet or 18 and a half feet of actual deck area to load my equipment. Just don't forget that, as we come around over here and see how this ramp stood in the upright position, you can buy yourself a little bit more real estate if the person doesn't want to go to a longer trailer. So now with this in the upright position, you have, more like 18 feet of 19 feet maybe of parking area. So always remember to recommend that. A lot of times people love these ramps, but just do need a little more space. So let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.